Well, hello everyone. What I want to show you today is, I guess, a complement to another tool, which is also on my store. Many of you may have seen the video for the boot print tool. This is, I guess, a complement to that because it's a handprint tool, which I want to show you now. Now, what it is, again, it's just like the boot print tool. It's a 3D printed tool to put handprints onto surfaces, and that can be any surface. It could be on, as it shows in the image there, onto some armor. But frankly, anywhere you want to put a handprint, you can absolutely use this tool. I use it for putting handprints on brickwork or maybe windows, these kind of things. Anywhere where you want to put a little bit of more detail, and it really does raise the level of detail when you can do something as easy as this. Trying to paint that sort of freehand would be very, very difficult. So they kind of really solved that problem with this tool. So let's get it out of the box, and I'll show you exactly what you get. So you get a couple of very well printed 3D tools. Let me put the bag down. So let me show you the largest one first, because I think that's got the most in the way of different sizes and ranges of handprints. So you can see the relief on the actual tool itself is absolutely amazing. You'd never be able to print that and paint that in that kind of detail. Whereas with this, literally dip it in some paint and off you go, as many handprints as you like. Interestingly, they've marked on the actual tool itself the scale. So the big one's 1/24, 1/32, and if I turn it over, that's 35, 48, and a 70 and a 72. So you can basically pick whichever scale is ideal for your application. The other one is very similar. Again, 35, 48, and 70 and 72, and on the other side, 24 and 30 and 32. The whole idea, of course, is you snap one of these off, and what I do is I then insert a cocktail stick into the bottom of that and into some paint, and off I go, tapping away to put some handprints on. I think a lot of you know I do a lot of post-apocalyptic subjects. Now these are ideal, for putting handprints on various surfaces. They're really quite evocative when you do that. But quite easily you can do exactly the same on a paint finish on some armor, of course. And if you want to put a handprint on a car or anything really, any kind of aero, if you want to put a handprint on somewhere, just to maybe raise the detail, these could be ideal for you. As I said, the actual quality of the 3D print is astonishing. The definition is absolutely amazing. If you look at these under magnification, you can absolutely see that when the print goes on, it will have it'll be well defined, it'll be crisp. It's not going to be just a blob on your model. Absolutely not. These kind of things will give you a great paint effect. So that is the handprint tool from Liang. That's on the store right now. I say it kind of complements the boot print, I think, which is also available. As I always say with the end of these things, any questions, any queries, do get back to me.